Solana. Meme coins and the P&Ls you constantly see on Twitter where people have thrown in a soul or $50, $100, $10,000, $50,000, $60,000 and such outrageous amounts. These make you itch, but it's your right hand that itches. It whets your appetite. However, friends, it's really not like that. That's why I created an educational series for Solana meme coins on how we can find a good Solana meme coin. There's a saying in English, friends, low IQ, high returns. Meaning the less knowledgeable you are at this step, the more you can earn. So, according to the P&Ls, people have money ready. But what is Phantom? What is Solana? What is memecoin? What is blockchain? This is zero knowledge. Friends, that's why some people are really making good money. For example, yesterday, I entered 2 projects. I tweeted about this. I didn't mention it while buying, though. I neither shared the contract nor the coin name. But I threw half a soul at one and 1 soul at the other. Both made about 4x, and I immediately took out the principal. However, afterwards, it kept going up. You know what I mean. The logical move is to take out the principal, but then it kept going up. You know how they say, summer is coming, many flights will take off, just hit TH. This logic is fuel Solana, meme coins, friends, but be careful not to get burned. So, I will explain what needs to be done to avoid getting burned and what to pay attention to, and in this video, we will use a Solana wallet to buy and sell Solana meme coins or Solana instant coins. Phantom wallet, but I have been doing this since 2017, friends, and in fact, after 7 years, my reward has finally come, friends. And thank you for supporting me and watching for this 100,000 plaque. And I also thank myself in front of you. Let's put this back in place for all the effort and work I put in. So why did I mention 2017? I always try to explain things in the simplest and most straightforward way. And I think that's why we were able to reach 100,000. Because reaching 100,000 in such a limited area like cryptocurrencies on YouTube is not easy. Here, I will explain it simply and straightforwardly. What is a Phantom wallet? It is a Solana wallet. Okay, how do we set up this wallet? On a computer or a mobile phone? Then, how do we transfer Solana from an exchange here? And how do we trade with this Solana? Finally, if we make money, how do we withdraw this money to the exchange? I will explain this. Let's move on to our video. Friends, I will give the same warning at the beginning of every video about Solana. 99 out of 100 coins in Solana will be trash. Only one of these mini coins will be a winner. We will try to find that one, but it's not guaranteed. We've given our warnings. Please don't get carried away. Now, friends, I will set up this Phantom wallet. This is a wallet, friends. A hot wallet. It is a wallet that I will use on the computer. And the keywords belong to me, so they are not owned by the exchanges. But it is not a cold wallet either. This is a software wallet in summary. Now, I will leave the download link for this Phantom app in the video description. You can download it safely from there. Friends, I said download. Look at which browser you are using here. Cryptocurrency users use Brave Ape. I clicked on Chrome and it says add to Chrome. I said to add the extension. It is currently downloading the extension. By the way, it has more than 4 million users. I'm only talking about Chrome. And it's here. Now I am creating a new wallet and I already have a wallet. We will create a new wallet, friends. I click on this and it asks me to enter a password. I used uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers in my password. I accepted the terms of service and pressed continue. Now, friends, these are our key phrases, our secret recovery phrases. And we need to record all of these somewhere. This means that with these words, we can access this wallet anytime, anywhere. So let's say something happened to this computer from another device, computer, or phone. As long as I know these words, I can access the wallet where I put my tokens or money. That's 1. 2. If anyone sees these words, friends, they will steal it. So you can put these on a secure piece of paper and store it in a safe, or you can upload them to any cloud storage like Google Drive. Friends, you will back these up. I said I saved the recovery words, I said continue, and I said start. Now I have come to the upper right corner. I pinned Phantom, friends, and I click, and look, it is entering the password I wanted just now. So what is this password? This password is the one I will use only when I want to open this in this browser, occasionally. Even if I forget this password, I can delete Phantom from the browser, reload it with my secret recovery words, and create a new password. And here, when we click on the button, when we click on Solana, friends, you can either transfer with a QR code or copy and paste. This is your Solana wallet address. We will receive from here and send money from here. We will generally conduct the exchange transaction through my radio. When I scroll down, I can see my Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, and other coins. Friends, my recent activities, transaction history, etc. are displayed here. My NFTs are visible here, friends. I have returned to the main screen. Now, the first part of the video is complete. I have set up my Phantom wallet, that is my Solana wallet. You have made quite a bit of progress. I hope you liked the video. Now we are moving on to the second part of the video, friends. We will send money to this. For this, I clicked on receive. I have come to Solana. Now, friends, I have copied the address. I will send SOL from Binance to my Solana address, to my Solana wallet, over the Solana network. I may have used too much left, but there is meaning in 3 of them. If you don't have time to buy, there is a link to the details where you can earn $30 in the video description. You can send a buy from that link. Now I clicked on SAS friends and I selected spot. Look, I have come to Solana from here, friends, and I am pressing withdraw. I pasted the address here. Look, it automatically detected Solana. And friends, I wrote 1 sol here. I am pressing withdraw. I pressed continue. Friends, I am entering my Google Authenticator and email password. Now we are continuing in both languages together. And my money has arrived from Binance to my Solana wallet, Tantoma, in a short time. Which network did I use? I used the Solana network. Choosing the right network is very important. If you choose the wrong network, your money will be lost. So if you are going to make a large transfer, first send a small amount. Then, friends, send the rest. Now, friends, we have come to the section to buy or sell any meme coin. Let me say this, you can have a main wallet, a second wallet, and a third wallet. Now, when making transactions with risky coins or risky airdrops here, I never use my main wallet or my major top 3 wallet. I go and create new Phantom wallets through different Chrome profiles or different computers and use them. You should do the same. Especially if you are chasing airdrops, do not use your main wallet. I came to Dex Scanner just to show you trading. I will randomly select any coin, friends. I don't have any important indicators here. I came to Loose, friends. They always share saying I bought this, I sold that. There is also $7 million in liquidity and there is a very high locked liquidity. Now look, this next to Loose is mine. Friends, they call my contract address CA. Then I came to redeem. By the way, the video you are currently watching is a reward video. Like our video, and a friend who subscribes to our channel and shares the tweet in the pinned comment also wins $20 from us. I accepted and hit enter. I said Radium. I say connect wallet and choose Phantom. And I approve this from Phantom. Now look, I have my Solana. What will I convert this to? I'm coming here. Look, I just saw it. I don't know Loose at all. This is not investment advice. It's just to show buying in the video. I will sell this immediately after the video. Friends, I came. Let's say 0.09. I will have $20. It says 90 Loose. And look, pay attention. I am passing from Solana. I am not taking dollars. I pressed swap. I approved it. The approval will come here. The swap transaction is currently being processed. I am waiting for the approval. And the swap has been approved, friends. I came to my Phantom wallet. Look, there is now Loose here. That's all. Of course, as I said, the meme coins here are risky. Let's say you made a profit and want to withdraw the money. Look, there is Solana here. You click on send. You click on Solana. The recipient's Solana address. This time we will withdraw back to Binance. Friends, I came to Global Binance. I click on deposit. Then I selected Sol here. And I also selected the Solana network here. The network is very important. When copying the address, make sure you are copying the address from the Solana main network. I selected the Solana main network. I copied the address, friends. I am going to Phantom. I said send. I selected Solana. I am pasting the recipient's Solana address, friends, and let's say you will send 0.02 here. Then I say next. When I press send, these Solanas or coins in Phantom belong to me. That's all. Now friends, we have 3 more videos on Solana. How to find a coin that can do 100x on Solana. Is the direct point like this? How can we help? How can we find it? We will look into this. After that, Pump Fun. How to use Pump Fun. We will look into this. Lastly, I will make a Solana video where I will turn $500 into $5,000. And with these 3 videos, we will have completed our training series. Let me tell you this. If you have 100,000 liras, please do not allocate more than 5,000 liras, which is more than 5% of your total portfolio, to these meme coins. Because friends, there are many losers and there are winners too. That's why there are people who get angry asking why you are making videos. There are winners as well. Because I am currently winning on this side of the room. That's why I wanted to create an educational content. I hope it has been beneficial to you. Don't forget to ask any questions you have in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.